hello guys. So this is my simple video setup, and I'm done driving, like coming from Panabo over right there, and I'm going to relax as a driver. I will take some coffee and biscuit. So this is the way to relax as a Filipino. So simple, but it is relaxation, and it's way more better to relax for in few seconds or in few hours. All this like this with a beautiful calming surrounding. So I will try to sip this. This is the newer coffee coming from Malunggay, homemade of Kamunggay. So yeah. Looks yummy. Yeah, it's I like it. Okay, so I just want to share my blog. This is my blog. So I was editing here my blogging about tutorial. So yeah, any kind of blog I was going to use this phone. I have a laptop, but yeah, it's something problem with the hard drive. So just a little bit upgrade the laptop and back to nice and very beautiful video editing. So I hope someday I will going to upgrade that if I have a budget to buy that hardware. Yeah. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this. Please like, because I am very poor. I just want to be famous someday. Bye bye.